Hey, what's up mga ka-otap? This is Workx and welcome to my channel. What's up guys? So today we're going to unbox a very special Funko pack. So this is a custom resin figure made and sculpted by none other than Workx, also known as Fuji Toys. For those of you who doesn't know Workx, he was the one who made the designer toy Wiki. But if you want to see more of his previous work, check this out. Still not convinced? Let's check his first version of the 6-pack Uchiha Madara and his first Uchiha Madara in normal form. Here we go! That was pretty intense. So let's now go ahead and check and review his second version of the Uchiha Madara 6-pack that was been just released last month. So we have here the box itself. So we have here a beautiful artwork for the box of Uchiha Madara. So as you can see, we have a huge window here in front of the box. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, and for the side of the box, we also have a beautiful artwork for Uchiha Madara. And for the other side, we have a small window. Okay, so for the back, we also have a beautiful artwork for the Uchiha Madara. So it's a very nice photo that was being used. And on the top of the box, we also have a pop custom. The bottom of the box. Okay. Oops, we have a note at the bottom. So this is a custom made by a fan and not a licensed product. So that is Workx. Original concept by Funko. At the back of the box, we can also see the social media accounts of Workx. So we have the Facebook account, IG account, and the blogspot. Okay, so that's the custom box for this Uchiha Madara 6-packs. By the way, there's also a clear protective case that includes if you buy this custom Funko Pop. So that's pretty awesome. So let's now go ahead and check the Funko Pop itself. This Funko Pop also includes a base that you can stand Uchiha Madara. So as you can see, it's very well sculpted and it has a nice color. So we can also see that there's 2 pegs for you to connect Uchiha Madara. And the other details, it's very well made. And look at that blend of the 2 shades of the green for the ground of this base. So we can also see here on the side. Okay, so for the bottom, so we can see it's number 4. Okay, so it's a very nice sculpted base for this Funko Pop. Let's go ahead and try to check on how we can stand the Uchiha Madara. So let's just stand here and connect the peg. Okay, so it's very nice and very easy to connect the Uchiha Madara to his base. So it's a very beautiful piece, and Workx, you are really awesome. Okay, so let's now go ahead and check Uchiha Madara itself. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and focus the camera first. Okay, so this custom resin figure is very nice sculpted, and paint up is very clean, and the hair is very nice sculpted as well. So great job, Workx, you are really awesome. So we can see as well at the back there's also decals that was included here, and as well in the front. So I think there's no decals on the first version of this Uchiha Madara, so this is a really nice touch. And as well on his forehead, there's also a symbol that was been added on the forehead of Uchiha Madara. Nice work. I'm really glad that I pre-ordered this Uchiha Madara, and it's a really nice piece that I can add on my collection. You can already now place your order on his IG or Facebook account, and it's going to be $150 ship, and I think it's going to take up to 4 to 8 days to arrive on your location. If you want to place your order, I will be just leaving his Facebook and IG account in the description below. And there you have it, guys. So I hope you enjoy watching the unboxing and review for this awesome custom resin figure Funko Pop Uchiha Madara 6-pack by Workx. So again, if you want to place your order, just check on the description below for the link of the Facebook page and the Instagram account of Workx. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Just click the red button and the notification bell so you'll be updated on my future uploads. So again, guys, thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.